Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I want to transfer money to Permata Bank in Surabaya.
How much?
500,000 rupiah.
Would you like the normal transfer or real-time gross settlement?
What is the difference?
The normal transfer will take the 3 working days, and real-time gross settlement will take around 3 accounts.
How about the fee?
The normal transfer 5,000 rupiah, and real-time gross settlement 25,000 rupiah.
Just the normal transfer.
Thank you. Please fill in the discount fields.
Thank you. Here is the format.
Thank you. Can I count the money?
Alright, here you are.
Thank you. Please wait a moment. Here is the transfer receipt. Please keep well.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
How are you doing today?
Great, thank you.
What can I do for you?
I need to withdraw some money.
How much would you like to take out?
I need to withdraw $300.
Which account would you like to take the money from?
I want to take it from my checking account.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Can I do anything else for you?
No, that will be all. Thank you.